12 gorgeous open kitchen ideas. We have a thing for ultra-modern, open kitchens that seamlessly blend with the rest of the central living area, like this one by Space Theory. It features an integrated storage system that feels both casual and practical. But best of all, it conceals significant appliances and other items so decorative elements like the sneaker art print will pop. Another bright idea that makes this open concept space work is the dark wood accents on the kitchen island and wall. They happen to match the living room furniture, not shown in the photo. Here is an inviting, bright, white, and small open kitchen by Melanie Cloughan Interiors. It features all of the functional ingredients found in much larger cooking spaces, like beautiful and practical lighting and prep spaces with easy access to appliances. While the countertops look like marble, they are actually quartz, a more durable human-made material designed to resist stains, heat, and scratches. Appliances can stick out like a sore thumb in open spaces, so we like how the refrigerator and dishwasher are concealed behind cabinet fronts. The idea of an open kitchen works in traditional spaces too. The homeowners wanted a flexible cooking space, ideal for both formal and informal entertaining. Note how architect Michael Menn created defined areas for cleaning, prepping, cooking, and eating. We are particularly fond of the extra-long kitchen island with two kinds of seating, bar stools and a built-in booth. Whether you want to watch TV or the kids while you cook, open kitchens suit a broad range of lifestyle choices. When it comes to style, you cannot go wrong with a statement-making Backsplash M according to the interior designers at the Carrel Group. Here Moroccan tiles in grey porcelain add a pop of visual interest. There is so much to love in this exquisite open kitchen by Tracy Lynn Studio. Kitchens are indeed the heart of the home, and here that idea drove the design and color palette. The interior designer selected a blue Le Cornu range to be the star of the show. Its color matches the water hues used in both the dining and living rooms in this open concept home. Next, edgy pendant fixtures over both the island and eat-in dining area lend a bit of contrast to the bright white space. Rivaling the blue range for attention is the marble backsplash. It extends to the dining area as a feature wall. Lauren Mochizuki, the wife, mother, nurse, and interior stylist behind Casa Mochi, transformed her old kitchen into this gorgeous open concept space. She and her husband had to remove 2 walls to get the job done. Having a huge, eat-in kitchen island is what makes this remodel genuinely work for their home and lifestyle. In fact, their houseguests prefer it to the dining room table because it provides plenty of elbow room. Mochizuki says all the storage space her kitchen island offers further justifies its epic size. Interior design Alice Chu says a kitchen island is a must in open kitchens, especially if you are remodeling a closed space. That is because most people lose counter space when tearing down walls. Another good thing to know is an island seals the deal on the classic work triangle by creating a relationship between the prep space, sink, and major appliances. Chu also adds that many homeowners don't set aside much money for lighting in their remodeling budgets, which she confirms is a big mistake. Combining recessed ceiling lights, with both task and decorative lighting, as shown, will ensure you have both ambient and task lighting when needed. Two-tone kitchens like this one by Miss Alice Designs add dimension to an open concept space. The trick is using a dark color on the bottom and a lighter color on top. Here pale gray cabinetry enhances the room's open and airy feeling. It is essential that a kitchen in an open concept room seamlessly ties into the rest of the space. Here, Laetitia Laurent from Laura Nell Interiors stuck to a monochromatic palette to unite all the home features shown here. One key element that would be remiss to not point out is the concrete countertop that resembles honed, matte leather. The owners of this home had lived in Paris, France and wanted to create an abode that felt chic, inviting, and decidedly French according to Laetitia Laurent from Laura Nell Interiors. Their design aesthetic carried into this open kitchen. Gilded light fixtures and handsome leather bar stools contrast against gleaming white subway tiles, which is well appointed with Viking appliances and a large apron sink. The adjacent breakfast nook exudes romance with its floral wallpaper, rustic dining table, and cozy banquet. The icing on the cake is the tufted red velvet sofa, which continues the French vibe into the living room. Open kitchens are great social places for everyone in the home to connect, even when you are not cooking. The key to making spaces like these work is a combination of good looks and, perhaps even more important, practical functions that address common open kitchen issues. French country was top of mind for interior designer Diana Weinstein when creating this elegant open kitchen. One of the primary goals was to maximize entertaining space with an island that seats at least 6 adults. It is important to note that the kitchen reflects the original architectural details still preserved in the home's central living spaces. Those details are what makes the open concept area feel cohesive and seamless. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.